Andrew, are you excited?
I'm very excited, yes. Well, you probably don't even remember your last one. No, I do remember.
Hi, Mom.
I had to think about myself. But...
On the bus.
Look outside. It's so gorgeous out. A railroad track and a fence.
We're moving.
Yeah, now.
Oh, we're really moving. Hi, Grandma.
Hello?
May I come in?
It's my family.
Hi, Emmeline.
These are my parents.
Hi, everybody.
Nice, Dad.
I said it back there in the lounge.
That's Andrew. You guys know him. You want a race? I bet my cruise ship is gonna beat your little pilot ship. Goodbye, Miami. Hello, Mexico.
Actually, Mexico's that way.
Oh, on a scale of 1 to 10, Andrew, how excited are you?
I'm pretty excited.
You didn't answer my question.
I'll give it like
A 10.
a 9.
A 9? I'm at a 10. I'm at a 10. What are we doing tonight? We're going to dinner.
Yeah, we're going to Japanese food, right?
Hibachi.
Not Asian food, but
Hibachi.
Japanese food.
Japanese.
Mom told me Japanese food, and I am just so tired. I've been up since 2:30 in the morning.
Japanese.
Well, whose fault is that?
Mine? I'm gonna get ready for dinner. And then I think we're just gonna explore and relax and sleep for the rest of the day. How's day 1 going?
Day 1 was fantastic. Better than 9.8, like I said it was.
Yeah, what do you give it now?
Out of 10.
Did the hibachi do it for you?
Hibachi was amazing. Hibachi did it for me, I think. And watching his face. So that was pretty great. Alright, what's up? I'm gonna give you a tour of the room here. Name's Andrew Hahn. It's your boy. So this is our toilet room, also known as the bathroom. Got a nice little toilet paper holder over here. There's a toilet, 2 sinks, not just one. And some towels down there, and some tissues. Showers over here. But guess what? It's got 2 sliding doors. Look at this. Boom. Boom. And that way, no one can get to you. I don't know. Good old mirror right here. There's Emmeline, just sitting on the bed doing nothing. There's her bed and her grandma's bed. Nice big closet over there with a safe in it. And there's my bed over there. The couch. It's unfortunate. It is comfy. Here's my closet as well.
And mine.
Also hers, I guess. This is also a bed up here, but I'm not sleeping in that because I'm too good for that. Here's my mess of a counter, I guess. This is all mine over here. And then like M's chargers over here somewhere. And then to the open sea. Look at that gorgeousness.
So we're just sitting in the room, minding our own business, and our toilet is making really weird sounds. We don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna close the door and ignore that situation. Hey guys, so we just got back from taking some pictures, and then we're gonna be going on our way to the Italian restaurant. We're gonna be eating there tonight. And yeah, we are all having a lot of fun, and
Top right-hand
yeah,
corner.
I can't wait to see what's gonna happen rest of the week. Tomorrow I think we're going to Honduras, so yeah.
Yep.
I thought you were gonna scare me.
Just waiting for you. You're so slow.
Where are we going?
It's a bunny mark.
There's a bunny mark. Spotted. My family.
It's kind of soft in there. Here's your pillow. With a towel on the pillow.
Where are we going?
What's the hot tub?
We're going to the hot tub. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm ready. Honduras.
We made it.
We have arrived.
I already vlogged.
So we have arrived at the port. There's about a lot of people that got off the boat before us. We just got breakfast, and now we are about to get off too.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice hat.
When am I not using the screen?
Was on a cruise
No.
only to do her makeup.
Okay, sorry, I woke you. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
We are going out later, so I want to look
Okay.
presentable.
Greeting out.
We're at a show right now, and it's called Burn the Floor, right?
You asking me for confirmation?
Yes.
Yeah, it's called Burn the Floor. It says it right there on the screen.
Yeah. So it's supposed to be a dancing show. It looks like that crown that that lemur wears in Madagascar.
Yeah, kind of.
You can kind of see it flapping around, I think.
There you go, put him back in.
I held a fish.
He's like, oh,
Hi, Mr. Krabs.